Hi there. Okay, the way this is set up now, you've got all of your icons down here. You've got Terrarium here. Terrarium is an awesome program and it's for watching movies, TV, so you can do good searches on here and check the video out that I sent to you. With regards to this here, I really wanted to skip to MyGica. MyGica is the replacement I've done for Cody, and that will work and has been working wonderfully on this system. So, okay, so Terrarium here. You've got all of your movies to say, TV shows to say you want to watch Grey's seasons, and then every season, and then every episode, and then you want to watch season 4, and now we want to go into, get out of here, season 4, episode 13, and then you just hit play right there. So, and then it'll play it here. You can switch video player, but I just have it on yes player here. So this is first time running it. So now it goes out and it scrapes the internet. Once it's got the link, then you just click on generally the first one. I just clicked on anyone there. So no streams, it's saying. So I'll play that one, top one, and it's running. So now we'll see what's going on here. I'm gonna stop this, but basically that's how you get the movie going. And I'll back out of here. So now when you come into the app, you'll see TV shows and movies, and then you can click on movies. So say you want to watch Black Panther. Black Panther is here, and then you can click on the watch now or the play trailer. You'd click on the watch now. Again, it would go scrape the internet. You'd click on the link and it'll play the movie. And we'll let this stop here. Reason I'm doing it this way is I just don't want to make this movie too long video. So Rampage, and then there's search here, so you can search for like Gold Rush. So I'll type in gold and then I'll hit TV shows and go. Now it'll go to TV shows, it'll get Bering Sea Gold, Gold Rush, anything. So movies, anything that had the title gold in it. So you can do good searches that way and then just play them like that. So this is a real powerful app, Terrarium. This one next to it here is a live TV app. This actually streams into what's out on the internet right now. So many sports channels right here. You get all the sports channels. So say you want to watch TSN, you'd go down here and there should be a TSN right here, TSN 1. So click on that and then it'll go right into TSN. So everything's here for all the sports channels, back out, kids TV, so all of the kids, Cartoon Network, everything here. Wildlife, and then you get National Geographic, all this stuff here. Stuff that you'd pay for on our cable, it's all on here for free. Pretty cool. USA Today or USA TV. So now this gives all of the US TV channels, so National Geographic, AME, A&E, Food, TLC, everything here. So it's cool. Check it out. Then TTV, Showbox, you know about Showbox and all. That's all works. Again, I'm not gonna spend too much time on it. Oh no. I don't wanna update this right now. So I'm gonna get back to the home screen here, and you do that with that button there. And then MyGica. MyGica, like I said, is replacing Kodi. Your box is older operating system. It has the Android 4.4.2. So I rigged it up so that this can, I'll get this to wait. It's the first time I did that, but anyway. So now you get into Kodi and go over here, slide on over to video. So say you want to watch a movie, so click on one of those apps down there. Movie, year, say the new movies, 2018. Cool. And it's another way of getting movies. Black Panther. Avengers Infinity War, I Feel Pretty. These are all cool. This is a good movie. Now it's going to get the links just like Terrarium would do. They all have their own niche, and I find that Terrarium's easiest to use. You've seen how many times I had to click around here. So other than that, then you just hit play. Cool. Back out of here, back out of here, back out of here, back out of here, and you can click on any one of these apps here. Cool. And then just hit exit and make sure you exit out of Kodi. Don't just shut the box off because this one is very fidgety. All right. Thanks.